and I need you, and I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. You gotta
But before we go into the milking, I have to say a happiest of birthday to this gentleman. He's Daniel, my tailor. Taylor's a jam bass. Taylor to center stage. I will love him like cook food. From Peaches and your family, happy birthday. And from us too, of course.
Yeah, so last week, I spent some time in Duncan's Trelawney. This lady, Rose.
Hello, Rose.
She is fabulous.
Hi,
Another
Rose.
lady, her name is Elizabeth. If you ever go to Duncan's in
Call
Trelawney,
them and get food.
they'll prepare the best
Anything.
meals.
All right, we're gonna milk it.
Look. Yeah.
It's
don't-
time for us to milk it.
Oh yes, and Kamika, her brother had a birthday yesterday. His
Pick up
birthday.
yourself.
Big up Junior.
Junior. Okay, it's time for us to milk it. We have to answer each question before we move over to our milking station. The first person to answer all the questions and fill their cup wins. By the way, I want to catch them cow, yeah.
I thought initially.
I thought we were gonna have real cows or goats or something, but these cows are so much funnier.
Love it. We're not naming them though. We're
Okay,
not
let's
naming
go. How does this work?
Oh, the
blue
question is
mine,
there.
yellow is there. What milk is more popular than cow's milk? You have to write it.
Oh,
See
oh, oh.
answer here.
I supposed to put it up?
Show it up. Show you. Like that's how we're going to know
Oh,
it,
next
right?
one.
Or do all of them?
Okay.
No? What is it?
What is the name given to ghost given birth? Oh,
Okay. What
I
next?
remember that. What sound does?
Write it and then say it all out.
Bah.
Meh. Bar sheep.
Yeah, bah.
Meh.
What do you call a
goat
goat listening to country music? Jesus.
What do you call a goat
No.
listening to
Me write
country
something.
music? A goat listening to country music? No?
Let's write something. I'm sure one question we get right.
I don't know. Unscramble this.
Huh?
Huh? Huh? Unscramble this type of goat.
I don't know that.
Me,
don't know
put
that.
it back! Me can't see it. Me can't unscramble it after me no know what. Me no know. Me go over anyway.
We write some.
Watch Tanya. What are you doing?
No man, watch me. I'm sure you have milk it.
You're gonna pop it?
I'm sure you have milk it, man. There you go, son.
But then you're going to get it before me.
Yeah,
Your
give
own burst. You have to squeeze it. Give me now. Give me the pencil. I'll do it.
You ready?
We ready?
Mine now work.
Yeah, man, boy, you have pin. And we're
So we're not supposed to touch cup. She said without touching the cup.
Without touching the cup? Oh, sorry. She never tell me that part there.
But mine now. How can I fake milk?
Oh, God.
How can I milk this nigga?
The teeth is out.
The cow is stubborn enough.
Okay. You see why we should have hold the cup? Who gonna clean this up?
Yeah, hold my cup.
Here you go. I'm done.
That's not a mess. That's not a mess.
You holding the cup.
You have to hold it, cause it, you know. So you squeeze it.
Okay, let's see the answers to these questions.
So you
because
squeeze
I
it. Watch
really
it. No,
don't
look,
know.
no, Sakina. You have to squeeze and pull.
You have
So
to pull
squeeze
it down.
and pull.
If
Is
it
it
was a
squeeze and
real
pull?
goat, maybe.
Squeeze and pull.
Ask the ruminants,
Is it
gentlemen.
squeeze and pull?
How do you
squeeze
milk
and
it?
pull. Squeeze and pull.
You can't tell me why.
Squeeze
why him
and
look
pull.
like him knows so much.
Squeeze and pull. I
You mind
visited,
you pop off the
I
goat
visited
teeth.
Surge Island. a couple
Okay,
years
let's
ago.
see what the answer to the question. The first question was, what's the most popular milk in the, we both got that, goat's milk, we said that. You said goat.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the name given to goats? Oh, giving birth.
Kidding.
I thought it said at birth.
That's a labor.
Someone put kid. Labor.
It's a labor.
Okay, next one. What sound does the goat make when it's
Bleat.
bleat? Not man. Haru
Warrior.
man
And
and
you
hero
right
bah. Okay. What do you call a goat? Listen.
Jesus.
Really, guys?
Jesus.
Billy Ray Cyrus. Really?
Jesus.
Really?
I'm right.
What did you write?
Rami.
Rami? I wrote Kid Rock.
But it's okay.
No, not that.
Oh.
This now.
Oh, Kid Rock. That's
Is
close though.
No,
But
Kid
that's-
Rock. You get it? You get it? Unscramble this type of go. What did you write? Red Pro? I never write. No. What is a door pro?
What's a door pop?
It's a type of go. I've never heard that in my life.
You never tell me what's a door pop.
Him have to talk close to us so we can hear him in the microphone.
A dorper is a sheep. It's a breed of sheep.
So them asked the wrong question then, cause we don't know.
All right.
All right. So we don't we don't get charged for that one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of
We done?
Smile. I did. Yeah.
Can't
We
be done.
mean, what time you think it is? The show done. It done. Come, do your yippee, I call you again. Do it again. do it again.
DJ, play my song. That come.
Come.
No
You
man,
ready?
me want dance come on.
He want dance. I'm sure Beanie Man does not dance to country music. Hey, stay up. Do it now. Kick up. Hey, I cannot believe you learned how to
Yep.
square dance. Stay up.
DJ, where are you?
Stay up.
Love the vibe this morning.
Yeah, word.
So I'm ask you,
Yeah.
what's your favorite type of animal?
I would say rabbit.
Rabbit?
Yeah, man.
To eat?
No, I not really eat rabbit, you know, but
Oh, you pet them. You have
Yeah.
rabbit at all?
you know, some I used to have a few, but then get to though.
Them get where?
Yeah, man,
Are you
get
are
where.
overpopulate Jamaica with rabbit? So, you enjoyed this morning show with all the animals? Are you an animal person?
Yeah, man, I'm an animal person. I have some birds, I have a few dogs. I used to have some fish, but then dead.
Yeah,
But-
the fish
You know
story
what
is
I
a
mean?
common one because I
Yeah.
remember in primary school I used to buy a goldfish. By the time I reach home,
It did.
it did.
No, man, because you put it in the bag and no water,
No
no
air,
air, not
no
in the
air.
bag. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man.
Well, DJ, I liked the lip kaye. That was too much for me. It was so good. But I hope you enjoyed it because we enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Did
man,
you enjoy it?
definitely.
Let us know. We want to know. Give us some dancing. Oh, what
Like
is
the shirt, yeah.
Say a word, man.
Believe
In
in a-
yourself, you know what I
That's
mean?
right. If that's not a message for you to have today, what
I
is?
care some phone too, so after the show, I got to know.
All right,
Yeah,
we're
man.
ready. We could dance it out. Oh,
You know, if you do
watcha,
that,
watcha, 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 watcha. Yeah, yeah. Go down low now.